Nestled amidst the serene, undulating hills of El Barrial, Nuevo León, stands a testament to architectural harmony, House El Barrial. Crafted by the visionary minds at ByMura Design Studio, this modern cabin isn't merely a structure, it's a peaceful sanctuary, a vibrant conversation between rustic design and industrial elegance that beckons weary souls to shed the weight of urban life and immerse themselves in nature's embrace. From the moment one approaches, the house appears to rise organically from the landscape, a natural extension of the very earth it inhabits. Stepping inside, the transition is seamless, yet transformative. The air itself seems to hum with a quiet invitation, a gentle whisper of the warmth and comfort that pervade every corner. Here, natural materials reign supreme, the cool, solid strength of stone, the rich, comforting embrace of wood, and the sleek, defining lines of iron. These elements, far from competing, dance together in a delicate balance, forming a tapestry of textures and tones that speak of both timeless tradition and contemporary sophistication. The true marvel of House El Barrial, however, lies in its breathtaking connection to its surroundings. This isn't a house that merely exists in nature, it breathes with it. The panoramic views of the surrounding valley and forest aren't just seen through windows, they are an integral part of the living experience. Every carefully placed opening, every expansive pane of glass, acts as a frame, showcasing the ever-changing masterpiece of the outdoors, inviting the lush greens and earthy browns to become part of the interior palette. The genius of ByMura Design Studio is particularly evident in the open-concept living area. Here, walls seem to recede, creating an expansive flow that encourages connection and communal living. Yet, despite its openness, there's an inherent intimacy, a sense of belonging that permeates the space. The design allows natural light to flood every corner, banishing shadows and imbuing the home with an almost ethereal glow, further blurring the lines between inside and out. Indeed, the intentionality of the architecture is striking. Floor-to-ceiling windows are not just aesthetic choices, they are functional elements that maximize the sun's embrace, allowing light to cascade deep into the heart of the home throughout the day. This deliberate approach to natural illumination, coupled with the thoughtful placement of rooms, ensures that the spirit of the outdoors is constantly present, offering a genuine, unparalleled retreat from the relentless rhythm of city life. Adding to the cabin's unique allure is the exquisite custom-designed furniture. Each piece, meticulously crafted, is more than just an item of utility, it's a sculptural element that contributes to the overall aesthetic. These bespoke creations are a testament to the seamless blend of form and function that defines House El Barrial, ensuring that every detail, no matter how small, serves a purpose both practical and beautiful. It is in the captivating contrast between rustic and industrial elements that House El Barrial truly finds its voice. The rugged authenticity of exposed stone and rough-hewn timber meets the sleek precision of steel and contemporary finishes, creating a dynamic tension that is both visually stimulating and profoundly harmonious. This interplay gives the space its distinctive charm, an atmosphere that is at once grounded in simplicity and elevated by an undeniable air of sophistication. For those who seek inspiration in the realm of modern home design, particularly one that reveres and integrates with the natural world, House El Barrial stands as a paramount example. It is a masterclass in creating a sanctuary that transcends mere shelter, offering a deeply enriching experience where comfort, family, and the raw beauty of nature coalesce into a breathtaking whole. And that brings us to the end of our journey through House El Barrial. We hope you've been as captivated as we are by this incredible blend of rustic charm and industrial elegance, and the way it so beautifully embraces the natural world around it. ByMura Design Studio has truly redefined what a modern cabin can be, proving that comfort, family living, and breathtaking design can coexist in perfect harmony. If you're feeling inspired to bring a piece of this nature-focused design into your own home, or simply love exploring unique architectural marvels, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos like this coming your way, showcasing the best in home design and inspiring spaces from around the globe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.